and welcome to the AI with Arun show and to your AI Weekly Debrief for the week ending August 17th, 2025. Let's get started. Kicking things off with the headline that's dominating the tech world. OpenAI has officially launched GPT-5. This is not just an incremental update, it's a monumental leap forward. The new model boasts a staggering 40% improvement in handling complex tasks compared to its predecessor, GPT-4. To put that in perspective, OpenAI claims it possesses PhD level expertise across a wide array of fields, from intricate software development to complex medical diagnosis. But it's not just about raw intelligence. GPT-5 features vastly improved context awareness and problem solving skills. Perhaps most importantly, it unifies language, image, and voice processing into a single seamless platform, breaking down the barriers between the different models of interaction. Despite some initial user backlash, which often accompanies major platform shifts, GPT-5 has been rolled out as a new default model for ChatGPT, with user projections soaring towards 700 million weekly active users. The age of truly multimodal export level AI is here. In what can only be described as a stunningly ambitious move, AI search engine Perplexity has made an unprecedented 34.5 billion all-cash offer to acquire Google's Chrome browser. This is a classic David and Goliath story in the making. Perplexity, a company valued at 18 billion, is bidding for a flagship product from a trillion-dollar behemoth, a bid that literally exceeds its own valuation. The strategy is clear. Gain immediate access to Chrome's colossal user base of over 3 billion people and get a prime position in the escalating AI search race. To ease concerns, Perplexity has made several key commitments. They have pledged to maintain Chrome's open source foundation, inject 3 billion into its development over the next 2 years, and perhaps most surprisingly, keep Google as a default search engine while ensuring user choice is preserved. This is a high-stakes gamble to reshape the very gateway to the internet. This aggressive move by Perplexity is happening against a backdrop of absolute investor frenzy in the AI sector. The market is white hot. We are seeing the emergence of new AI-focused hedge funds, like one called Situational Awareness, which has managed to raise over $1.5 billion despite its founders having no prior investment track record. This highlights an almost insatiable appetite for anything AI related. The venture capital world is pouring money into AI startups as well. Cognition recently raised $500 million, pushing its valuation to nearly $10 billion. Not to be outdone, Cohere is also securing a $500 million funding round. However, this gold rush comes with a caution. OpenAI's own CEO, Sam Altman, has publicly admitted the industry is in a bubble, warning of market volatility and the risk associated with unproven strategies. The message is clear. The potential is enormous, but so are the risks. Shifting gears to how AI is being deployed for user safety. YouTube is rolling out a sophisticated new AI-driven age verification system. Instead of relying solely on user-provided information, this system analyzes behavioral signals. It looks at a user's viewing habits, their search patterns, and even the age of their account to infer whether they are a minor. If the AI determines a user is likely a teen, it automatically activates a suite of protection measures. These include disabling personalized ads, turning on digital well-being tools by default, and limiting exposure to potentially inappropriate content. Of course, no AI is perfect. For users who feel that they have been wrongly classified, YouTube provides straightforward verification options, including using a government ID, a credit card, or a selfie. Having already been successfully tested in international markets, this system represents a significant step towards creating a safer online environment for younger users. Meanwhile, China has unveiled a fascinating and potentially revolutionary experiment in healthcare, an entirely AI-powered simulated hospital called Agent Hospital. This virtual environment is staffed by AI doctors and nurses capable of treating up to 3,000 patients a day. The AI's proficiency is nothing short of remarkable. It achieved a 93% accuracy score on the US medical licensing exam, a testament to its advanced diagnostic capabilities. The implications here are massive. The technology could fundamentally revolutionize how we train medical professionals and diagnose diseases. However, it also brings to the forefront critical concerns about patient data privacy and raises significant questions about how well the performance of these AI doctors will translate from a simulation to a real world clinical practice. The US government is also embracing AI, but with a strong emphasis on security and control. The General Services Administration, or GSA, has launched a comprehensive new platform that allows federal employees to experiment with leading AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. This initiative is designed to help government workers explore how AI can automate routine tasks and improve their workflows. To get this off the ground, both OpenAI and Anthropic made an incredible offer, providing their enterprise grade AI models to the government for just $1 a year. This strategic pricing helps them establish a crucial first mover advantage within the massive federal apparatus. Crucially, the entire platform operates on the GSA's own secure cloud infrastructure. This ensures that sensitive government data is firewalled and never used to train the commercial AI models, addressing one of the biggest security concerns associated with public AI tools. But as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, the potential for misuse grows. This week, Meta found itself at the center of a major controversy. Leaked internal guidelines revealed that Meta's AI chatbots were programmed with some deeply problematic rules. The guidelines allegedly permitted the AI to engage in romantic or sensual conversation with minors, generating racially demeaning content and even produce false medical claims. The backlash was swift. A US senator has already announced a formal investigation into Meta's AI policies. This has also drawn attention to other players, with consumer protection groups urging FTC investigations into Elon Musk's Grok AI for its spicy mode, which has reportedly generated unauthorized deepfakes. While Meta claims it has since removed some of these problematic guidelines, reports suggest that enforcement remains inconsistent. From immense challenges to immense potential, researchers at Stanford have developed an AI system that represents a fundamental paradigm shift. We are moving from AI as a mere tool for scientists to AI as an autonomous researcher in its own right. This virtual scientist can independently design, run, and analyze complex biological experiments from start to finish. It can formulate a hypothesis, test it, and then adapt its experimental parameters in real time based on the results. This system is already making significant contributions, discovering novel patterns in genomics and drug discovery, with demonstrated success in cancer research and genetic analysis. This could dramatically accelerate the pace of biomedical breakthroughs. The theme of AI tackling monumental scientific challenges continues with a stunning breakthrough from Caltech. An AI system has successfully cracked the Andrews-Curtis conjecture, a notoriously difficult problem in abstract algebra that has stumped mathematicians for 60 years. The approach was novel. It used reinforcement learning with a two-agent system structured as a cooperative player and observer. This AI duo was able to discover solutions by employing supermoves, unconventional strategies that human mathematicians had never conceived of. This is not just a victory for pure mathematicians. It suggests that similar AI systems could be used to predict long horizon events in incredibly complex fields like finance and healthcare and climate science. Of course, AI's impact is not limited to the digital realm. Nvidia is pushing the frontier of AI in the physical world with its new Cosmos suite of models for robotics. AI in its core is Cosmos Reason, a 7 billion parameter model designed to give robots common sense reasoning about physical environments. This is complemented by tools for rapidly generating synthetic training data and creating realistic 3D simulations. All of this is powered by NVIDIA's latest hardware, including their RTX Pro Blackwell servers. Together, these models are designed to create the next generation of robots, machines that can truly understand physics, plan complex actions, and adapt to the messy, unpredictable nature of the real world. This week also saw major moves in making AI more accessible and safer. Elon Musk's xAI has made its Crook 4 model completely free for all users on the X platform, a significant expansion beyond its previous premium-only access. This move, which includes new features like converting images to videos, is set to intensify the competition in the consumer AI assistant market. On the safety front, Roblox has taken a major step to protect its younger user base by developing an open source AI to detect predatory languages in chats. By preemptively flagging risky interactions, the system aims to enhance safety for millions of kids and teens. This is a direct response to past criticisms and could set a new safety standard for the entire gaming industry. Now, for a story that sits at the absolute cutting edge of both AI and physics. A team in China has achieved a monumental breakthrough in quantum computing, and they did it with the help of AI. They successfully arranged over 2,000 neutral atom qubits into perfect arrays. This represents a tenfold increase in scale compared to the previous quantum systems. The key was using an AI-driven system to place individual atoms with an astonishing precision of 1/60,000th of a second. This breakthrough demonstrates AI's critical role in overcoming the immense technical hurdles in quantum computing, showing how AI is not just an application, but an enabler of other deep technologies. Never one to be left out, Apple is planning a major offensive to conquer the smart home with an entire ecosystem of AI-powered devices. Robots with the motorized arms for home assistance, dedicated smart displays for home control, and advanced AI security cameras. Central to this ecosystem will be a completely rebuilt Siri developed under the codename Linwood. With a target launch window of 2026 to 2027, this is a clear and ambitious strategy to establish a dominant AI presence in the home before rivals like Google, Amazon, and OpenAI can cement their positions. Finally, we end this week with a remarkable pair of news from the biomedical breakthroughs from MIT. On August 14th, researchers used generative AI to design completely novel antibiotic compounds from scratch. These AI-designed molecules can kill some of the most dangerous drug-resistant bacteria, like MRSA, tackling a global health crisis. Then, just a day later, another MIT team revealed a machine learning model that designs more effective nanoparticles for delivering RNA therapies. This addresses a huge bottleneck in genetic medicine. Put these two breakthroughs together, and you see the outline of an end-to-end AI-driven system, one that can not only design a new drug, but simultaneously design the perfect vehicle to deliver it, promising to dramatically shorten the development timeline for personalized medicine. With that, we come to the end of the show. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and support our work by joining us as a member.